Welcome back to the channel. You are tuned into Never Done Projects, where we never stop having fun, and we never stop making our cars faster. If you enjoy burnouts, you're in the right place! Let's go.
Welcome back, everybody. Your favorite Randy's here. Why'd you cut this one up?
Don't need that nothing.
Oh, okay. We only got 40-some minutes of recording left, apparently.
I am going to see that one that's there.
Uh-huh.
That's got to be back and flush and put back. I'll do that if you want me to, or you do it and I'll hold this. But there's the board behind you. Or however you're going to do it, it's got to be.
I'm dying.
Well, don't stop me.
I'm stopping up.
It's just against the,
What's it called? Man, it'd be nice if we had a mini split in here. Alright, put your guesses in now. How long is it going to take for me to smash a finger?
You want the ladder because you got to push it. Now there is screws in the top. Push on. It ain't gonna hurt it if it sinks on there. Alright, well, I'll go get the other one if you will. Set it right down there so we can line it back up. Right, like I said, the thing in that hole in it.
I can't promise you nothing.
for a second. Hold it right there for a second while I grab the board. Alright. Now you see what the way I've done it, I rotated. Don't go all the way through it, just the wood. Go ahead and put that in there. Never mind. Alright, let's skip that one.
1, 2, skip a few. 99, 100. And I just did the right thing. Thanks, Ryan. What's up, my furry friend? Did y'all know our friend Ryan Bishop at VR6 Prodigy is a furry? What? Did you just screw your fucking finger down back there? Does that hurt? Good, because it's styrofoam. I hope it didn't.
It was just tight. Alright. Now, I guess I was one short, so we need to cut one more. And then,
Are we gonna go on top of that, or are we gonna try to like rip it around?
well, I was telling them what I'm thinking I'm going to do
That's dangerous.
is I'm going to cut one more to go over to cover this and stop, and then put the next one from here back all the way up. If I can find a shelf to go up there, I'd really like, cabinet, I'd really like to have a cabinet, but you know, I'll just screw it to these walls. But if I had a cabinet, because you look, right here.
FBI, open up!
This is gonna be the top of the bed.
Top of the bed.
Because this is the bottom of the bed. You know, we gotta leave a little bit of room for it. So you're gonna look about the top of the bed right here, maybe a little bit more, that you'll climb up on, and the bed will come out about right here. So, and then that should not be in the way if I can find cabinets to go on both sides, and that would be some storage. If not, I'm gonna bring the holding tanks, I was gonna put them here, you know, against here, but I think I'm gonna put them that way, and then when I open this up, I can have one straight through all the way across for storage, because the steps will be here too. Now,
All right, everybody, welcome back. I knocked my drink over. I'm gonna be a pissy little bitch now. Still good though. This is the last board of the day.
leave it up down there somewhere.
What? Did I smash your fingers? That scared you.
I don't need it pushed down. I need it pushed up until I get this. See, then we're gonna have to pull it down after I put this up.
Might as well come back here so we can pull that down.
I think I'll climb this thing. Alright, this is where it's going to have to be pulled down.
Okay, I can't reach it.
You just do it with the. There you go. Hot.
Tell me whenever you're ready.
see it hold it. Let's see if I can see it. It may just the weight of it may hold it down.
You think it's that easy? I'll try to twist it again. Put it right here in the corner.
Can you go that way? There you go. Damn work.
Well, there we go. One wall down.
One wall, 2 sets of tires, cutting.
Yeah.
So now I did not do the top because the way I'm hoping that'll work out when I do the other side, I can rip a board right down the middle and then I can do the other side.
That's 21. I was figuring up on 22 on each side. Not including the bottom.
All right, everybody, we're gonna see if I got enough wood tomorrow. If not, I gotta unload the trailer and go get some more. So, be right back.
Probably be the end of the video. So, thank you for letting us into your homes.